Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics. Because in math there is lot of function like the exponential function, logarithm function, and trigonometric function. These are the basic of the mathematics. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is this is 24th of July 2021. It is new chapter. This is chapter number first sets, and it is exercise 1.1. Yesterday I told you about some question of the sets. Which of the following are sets? Why they are sets? Justify your answer. Firstly, if you have said about that one, the collection of the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So you have an idea the month which beginning with the J, like the June, January, June, and July. So it is the well-defined collection. So you can say it is a set. It is a set. It is the well-defined collection. Now the collection of the 10 most talented writer in India. I already told you that someone takes the different ideas of the different person differ from person to person. So talent is also differ from person to person. The most, the word most, least are not comes under the condition of set. So these are interesting, not comes under the set. So these are not a set. Now next one, a team of the 11 best cricketer. Best is not comes under the condition of the set. So it is not a set. Why it not come? Because best, the sentence best, 10 best batsmen. So it is different from it is differ from person to person. Someone take another person best and someone take another person best. So it is differ from person to person. So you cannot define it in a proper manner. Hence you can say it is not a set. Next one are the collection of the boys in your class. The collection of boys in your class. It is a set. Why it is a set? Collection of boys in your class is a set. Why it is a set? Because you collect, suppose you in your class 30 boys are there. To any person count, it comes 30. So it is a well-defined collection. Hence it is a set. Now the collection of all natural number less than 100. All natural number less than 100. So it is starting from 1 and end from 99. Hence it is also a set. Again, the collection of the novels writer by the writer, a collection of novels written by the Munshi Premchand. It is a collection because how many novels he write down? It's a collection. So it is a set. The collection of even integer, all even integer is a set. Again, the collection of the question in this chapter is also a set. A collection of the most dangerous animal in the world. The most dangerous animal. So I already told you if there is a most interesting, least, highest, favorite. These are not comes under the circumstances of a set. So it is not a set. Now the second question is, you need to let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your question number second, it is given that let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enter the appropriate symbol. You have to write down the symbol whether anything is belonging or not belonging. In the blank space, you have given the first part 5 and dash 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 6. So firstly you see in the set whether 5 is lying in set A or not. If it is lying, then you have to use this symbol, and if it is not lying, then you have to use this symbol. This is called belong to, and this is called does not belong. So firstly, if you check the set A, you will find that 5 belonging in set A. Therefore, we need to write down this symbol means 5 belonging to A. Second part of the question is 8 and dash dash dash. 8 dash 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 A. Now, you need to check similarly whether 8 is in A or not. Firstly, if you see there, the A does not belong to A, hence you can write down 8 does not belonging to A. 8 does not belonging to A. Similarly, you have given 0, whether 0 belonging to A or not. 0 is not lying in A, therefore 0 does not belonging to A. 0 does not belonging to A. And similarly 4 is belonging to A or not. Here 4 is lying in, so it is belonging to A. 4 is belonging to A. Next one, 2 is belonging to A or not. Here 2 is also belonging to A. Next one, 10 is belonging to A or not. Here 10 does not lie in A, so it does not belonging to A. So it does not belonging to A. This is the solution of question number 2. Now we move on the next question. Question number 3 of the exercise. Write the following set in the rostered form. First, it is given that